Installation video of minimal backpacking tent M1. Components: storage bag, inner tent, fly ground sheet, poles, fixing straps, fixing pins. First, take out the components and unfold the tent. Assemble the poles. After unfolding the inner tent, peg it down. Insert a pole into an eyelet at each corner to erect the tent. Connect the hooks and poles to pitch the inner tent. Connect the buckles on each corner of the inner tent. Tent stitching is complete. Disassemble in the reverse of the installation.